It always amazes me how can a person be okay with certain disorder, with certain disease in their body? How can a person pop a pill or put an injection in their body every day, knowing that it is going to bring certain side effects or certain disadvantages in their body sooner or later? If you're okay with it, if you're living with it, then there's something terribly wrong with your inner being, and you need to figure it out. You need to understand it. Because if your inner well being is not okay, if you cannot nurture yourself, how can you expect to nurture the people around you, the world around you? Anyway, I'm not going to get into the philosophy part. I'm going to talk about certain disorders. I hate to say this, the common diseases, which is how the medical practitioners have termed it. It is common to have sinusitis, it is common to have headache, it is common to have digestive issues, it is common to have acidity, it is common to have insomnia. According to me, it is not common. Disease itself means dis-ease. There's certain body parts, certain organ of your body which is not at ease, which is not in the comfort zone. So today I'm going to use the color therapy. I have these three colors with me. These are the permanent markers, and I have this black pepper that I'm going to use for the snoring problem. तो अगर किसी को खर्राटे की प्रॉब्लम है, स्नोरिंग की प्रॉब्लम है, this is very very effective and very useful. And I'm going to use this rubber band for high BP and low BP. So if you are stuck in a situation where it is an emergency case and you do not know what to do, then you can use this rubber band for high BP and low BP crisis situation. Okay. So how are we going to use these colors, and what does these three particular color means? Okay. So black color is the homo energy, when you need to sedate something, suppress something. Supposedly if you have acne on your face and you want to sedate it, you want to suppress those acne on your face, then you're going to use this black color, but not on your face, on your hands or on your fingers, because the joke means hands or feet. Okay. Then green color for neutral, for neutralizing the energy, for balancing the energy. The red color for tonification, for increasing the energy, for multiplying the energy. So let's start with the high BP problem. What you need to do, you're going to take your thumb or the patient's thumb. You're going to twist it 1, 2, 3 or to 4 times, or it could be 5 times, depends how tight it is. It should be tight enough. And then you're going to twist the end section here, and you're going to put this section in your index finger like this. Okay. Once it turns blue, you are going to remove this rubber band very slowly. For the high BP patients, you're going to remove it very slowly like this. Okay. For people or for patients who are suffering from low BP problem, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to twist it here 2 to 3 times, 4 to 5 times. And you're going to twist the end section, and you're going to take this here in your index finger. Okay. For low BP, you have to remove it very quickly like this. Okay. Once it turns blue, remember this, once it turns blue, then only you are going to remove it. Okay. For snoring, I'm going to use here the principle of similarity. As you know that my nose is one of the features on my face which is protruding, which is slightly outside on my face. Similarly, there is one point on each of your fingertips which is slightly out, which is slightly protruding. So I'm going to take my thumb. This is the section which is slightly protruding. I'm going to press it and release it, press it and release it, and press it and release it. You're going to do this with any blunt object. If you have Jimmy with you, you can do it with this thing. Okay. Once I have activated it, stimulated it, I'm going to paste this black pepper on the paper tape, and I'm going to paste this paper tape here tightly. That is it. Okay. Now for acidity, you're going to take your middle finger, the side towards the thumb. You're going to draw one straight line from the edge of the nail towards your knuckle. For sleep, the opposite side towards your little finger. You're going to draw one straight line from the knuckle to the edge of your nail, and you'll fall asleep within 10 to 15 minutes. Now for any stomach related issue, You can take this section, the lower phalange of the index finger or the lower phalange of any other finger. Okay, it could be middle, it could be this one, or it could be this one. You can take this section. You're going to rub an ice cube here. Okay. If you are constipated, you're going to look at the diagram of intestines, how the large intestine is. You're going to draw the shape of intestine here. Okay. This is how you're going to draw it. Then for energy related issue, if somebody is low on immunity or somebody has low energy, you're going to mark the point between these two fingers, one point here, one point at the base, then the middle of this, then the 1/3 of this section, 1/3 of this section. Okay. Now at the base of your thumb, the middle of this section. Got it? Now on the yang side, take these middle two fingers, again the center, this section, the base here, this section, the middle of this section here. Okay. Now the base here on the wrist, the base of the thumb, the middle section of this. That is it. Alright. There are so many things. Okay, also about tonsils. Okay, so if you have tonsils, you're going to take this line and this line, the center of this line, you're going to put one black point here. There's so many other diseases that I wanted to talk about, but this video is already long. I do not know how come my every video becomes so long. Anyway, so that is it for today. Now my hand looks colorful, like I have put a mehndi on my hands. Anyway, try this out, experiment it, and I'm sure it is going to work on you. But do it with the right intention, good intention, and with a lot of belief. So that is it for today. I'll see you again with another disorder, or if you want me to address some disorder, please feel free to comment or DM me. That is it for today. Bye. Good night. Take care.